If you need to clean or replace your air conditioning pollen filter on a 300 series Land Cruiser, check out this video. Hi there guys, welcome to another Ross Perry Productions video. And in this video I'm sat in a 2023 Toyota Land Cruiser 300 series, and this is the GLX model. And you'll notice I'm actually sat over the passenger side, or the left hand side of the vehicle in this instance, and that's because the air conditioning pollen filter is actually found behind the glove box. So we're just going to open up the glove box fully, and we don't need any tools to do this. And then just inside you'll see this shelf here, so just going to give it a bit of a sharp tug, and you'll see the two locating clips there with the pin there and another pin there just for locating. So we're just going to put that to the side. Then just inside the glove box you'll actually see this black cover plate here with two clips, one there, one there. So we're just going to go ahead and undo those and rotate and pull that cover off like that, nice and simple. So inside there we've got this white cover plate here. It's got a letter F on it, an arrow pointing up with the word up next to it. And it's important that this goes back on in that orientation. So we're just going to squeeze these two tabs together. And that allows us to rotate the cover around and pull it off out of those locating pins. And then you'll notice there's actually another white square here, or rectangle, with an F, arrow pointing up with the letter up next to it. Now this is actually our air conditioning pollen filter. So you're just going to pull that straight out, and you can go ahead and give this a clean or replace it with a new one. Just make sure it's the right orientation, so it's quite obvious on this one. So we're just going to have the F, up arrow, and the word up facing out, and the arrow pointing up. Just go ahead, push that in, push your new one in, or once you've cleaned your old one, get the cover plate on. You're going to slide it into the right first, rotate it around, then clip it into the left. Get the black cover plate on, locate it with the tabs at the bottom, roll it round, make sure both clips are done up. And then we can get our shelf that we removed from earlier, slide that back into position, and then just give it a push, and then close your glove box. So that's how easy it is to remove and replace the air conditioning pollen filter on a 2023 Toyota Land Cruiser 300 series. If you found that video helpful, please do give me the thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, check out some of my other videos, and subscribe to my channel.